Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix add card not working on iPhone. So guys, Apple Pay allow you to add card and make payment through your iOS devices. If you have lightly facing this issue with adding Apple Card on iPhone, I'm going to teach you guys how you can fix this problem. First of all, make sure that your iPhone has the correct country and didn't select it wrong. To check that, open the settings menu on your iOS devices. On the settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and tap on this language and region, and here you have to click on region. Next scroll down to find your country and tap on your country whatever it is. Applying this setting will restart your phone. Click on change to your country name. So friends, sometimes the country of your iPhone is changed due to which you are not able to add the card. So the only solution is to change the country in your iPhone. And the next method is check Apple Pay status. For that, open any browser app on your device and search for Apple Pay status. You can search this on Google as well. Now scroll down to find system status support and tap on it. Now tap on plus icon next to available service. Scroll down and see that if your Apple Pay is available or not. So you can see that the Apple Pay is available. So friends, after confirming this, now go to Apple Wallet again and check if the add card works or not. Click on plus icon. So you can see that the add card is working now. So our problem has been solved. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.